I picked a flower by the roadside, didn't even know your name. Then a gentle spark began, and nothing felt the same. You laughed like Sunday morning, soft and bright and true. So I kept that little flower and I walked right up to you. Didn't need a reason, didn't need a sign. Every step just led me right there by your side. I bring you flowers one by one, just to see your heart come undone. Every color, every day, a little love in every way. I bring you flowers, rain or sun. Watch our story just begun. Petal by petal we grew. Every flower leads me to you. Now the seasons keep on turning, but the feeling stays the same. Every bloom I ever gave you still whispers your name. We don't need forever promises, we don't need a plan, just a field of quiet moments and your gentle hand. No need for perfection, no need to pretend. Every little flower says it all again. I bring you flowers one by one, just to see your heart come undone. Every color, every day, a little love in every way. I bring you flowers, rain or sun. Watch our story just begun. Petal by petal we grew. Every flower leads me to you. Flowers in your hair, flowers in your hair. Love everywhere, love everywhere. If the world turns cold and gray, I'll still find a way. With a single blooming hand, I'll remind you where we stand. No grand words to say, no need anyway. Every petal softly